Kia ora, here's the next wee question of AS Algebra revision. Go watch the first video for my explanation about who these are designed for. Okay, so we're going to simplify 3 to the 2x divided by 9. Our key thing here is to get a common base, so we're going to write it as follows. 3 to the 2x divided by 3 squared gives me 3 to the power of 2x minus 2. Now we can simplify that if we wanted to. That would get a big tick from me, or we could factorize that power. Whether we want to be bothered doing that depends on what else we're going to do in that problem. Now, the other way that we could have done that question is that we could see, instead of going to a common base of 3, we could have gone to a common base of 9. So let's do it again. The reason I'm doing it again is just to show you that with problems like this, there are often several good ways to proceed. So here we could write that as 3 squared to the power of x divided by 9, which gives us 9 to the power of x divided by 9, which is 9 to the power of x minus 1. Okay, so I'm trying to think if you need to be going over the divided part here. Some of you might, so let's just do one little extra step in case you're still watching. When we've got 9 to the power of x divided by 9, we could write that like this: 9 to the power of x over 9 to the power of 1. And then we subtract the powers. Okay, so 9 to the x minus 1. Now, I've done that in one hit there. It's fine if you need more steps in these questions. The key thing is not to muck them up. That's all for now. 6 more little videos coming.